How to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Bitmoji on Snapchat. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, let me just get inside my official Snapchat account, and then here what you need to do here is that you have to simply tap on this profile icon on the top left corner, and then here you can see you'll find one option that is create Bitmoji. Create my Bitmoji option is available there. So guys, here what you need to do, just tap on it, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here is that you have to just take a selfie. Click on skip, and then here you can see you can just select the skin tone. So let me just go for this. Click on save, and you can see ready to pick an outfit. Click on yes, and then you can select some outfit here. You can see there are lots and lots of outfit. Now click on save. Now you can see, just hold on, you can see I have successfully created the Bitmoji. So to here you can see you will find 4 different settings. The first one is change outfit. So if you want to change the outfit, simply tap on it, and then you can change your Bitmoji outfit. You can see here you can change the shirt, suede, you can see, and then you can change the pants also, and you can change the dress, shoe. You can see here you can change anything you want. Just click on save after this. Okay, the second is pose and background. Simply tap on pose and background, and here you can see you can change the background. So it's a Christmas time, so let me just skip this and then click on save. And then here on the third you can see change selfie. So if you click here, you need to change your selfie. You can see, let me just go for marks because now it's a corona time. You can see here, just hold on, and then here you can see, okay, due to the network connection it's taking some time. And then here the last one is edit avatar. Simply tap on edit avatar, and then here you can see you can change the avatar shape also. So let me just go for this. Click on save, and guys, you can see here due to the network connection it's taking a quite time. Just go for this now. Okay, so this is how you can create your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.